Hello friends, today I'm going to share something from my experience. As I am a corporate guy, I am doing job. So something I want to share with you while making this video, or you can say it is a blog. It's a kind of blog. So previously my videos are in Hindi, but from now I decided that I will make my videos in English. So while making this video, I know I will do wrong, and I will definitely try to improve what I will do wrong and improve my content. While making video, I also learning. It's like learning for me also. What are the mistakes I do and what are the things I should improve while making the videos. So as I'm a corporate guy and my passion is about the bodybuilding and fitness, so I'm also doing work. So many of my friends and colleagues ask me that how I manage my gym and all, and diet, and is it possible for them also. They ask me that is it possible for us, give us some tips to remain fit. So they always used to ask me. So from that I thought that yes, I should share something to them and other people's also through YouTube or like that. So I decided to share my experience and knowledge, and definitely value add to all the people along with my friends. So they always ask me, so is it possible for a guy or people or a person who is doing job to remain fit along with doing their job and all other responsibility? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible, because I am doing and I am also doing job, and yes, definitely I have time for that. I have time for going to the gym, and I have also time to manage my diet. So that's why I am keeping it continue from 1 year. So my friends used to ask me that how you manage all these things, job and all. And yes, definitely I have time to do. That's why I am keep continuing what I am doing. So you can also do it. Just you have to committed about it, and if you are decided to remain fit, then you can also do it. Just you have to do continuously and committed, and you have to make a plan for that, when you will go to gym, or when you will do your physical activity, like any activities like walking, jogging, cycling and all. And about diet, it is depend on your goal. So what is your goal? Like that you have to manage all that things. So first thing I want to share that people who want to decided or people who are thinking to start their fitness journey or want to be fit. So first thing I would say that first of all decide that what is your goal. In my previous videos I also shared these things also, that first of all you need to decide your goal, that you want to lose fat, or you want to build muscle along with losing your fats, or you want to be fit, or you want to slim, or you want to look good, or you want to lose your belly fat and all. So first of all you have to decide all these things. After that you have to decide that whether you want to join a gym, or you will do some other activity like walking, cycling, or you will do exercise at your home or at somewhere else, or at park or outside. So according to that you have to plan. According to that you have to make your plans. So after that, regarding diet. So diet, many people think that yes, if you have to join gym, that you have to leave your current eating habit. You have to leave your current eating habit, but it is not like that. Initially you can do that. You can continue with your regular diet, that 1 month or like that, but you should also see that what you can avoid from your regular food. Suppose you are used to eat junk food and all, so if you have started your workout, or if you decided to remain fit, or already you have started your fitness journey, so you have to avoid all these things, junk food and all, oily foods. So you have to avoid all this. What means, whatever you can avoid, you should avoid it. uh, uh, it may take time, but you should start. Initially, slowly, gradually you will make the habit. So you have to start. So you have to start. After that, you can hire a coach, or if you are going to gym, you can ask your trainer to make a diet and all. Or if you can watch YouTube also. Different sources are there of diet. If you want to need diet, so you can watch the YouTube on, go to other websites also, fat loss diet and all. It is and while taking the diet, you should also keep in mind that what you can eat and what you cannot, because there are many things that we cannot adapt easily. So you should also see that what you can adapt. Means you cannot, means if you are if you eat roti or chapati in your breakfast, so initially you cannot switch to some other food or other diet. So you have to gradually choose what you can alternate your current diet with new diet. So you have to see that also. And yes, you can initially continue with your current diet, means what you are eating, but you have to avoid the junk foods and oily foods and all. And just just give your best and do continue what you are doing. Keep exercising, keep continue with your regular workout, what you are doing. It may be anything. It may be jogging, cycling, running. It may be anything, but you have to continue with your activity. You should not think like that, I have started now, when it will when it will give results. It not work like that. You have to continuously active in what you are doing. So from 1 year, I'm only consistent with my workout, and also I'm building lean muscle mass, losing my fats slowly, gradually. It's not like that I have achieved whatever I have achieved in 2 months, 3 months. It's take long time. So you have to be continue with whatever you are doing. Lastly, I will say that rest is important. So you have to sleep at least 8 hours. Means you have to give your body a very good rest period of 8 hours, because rest is important, because your body will adapt a new environment. So that's why rest is important, because our body grows in rest period. If you are building muscle, or whatever you are doing, or you are doing fat loss, so your body changes in my experience. I have seen that in resting period, our body changes the shapes, or building muscle and all that. So rest is very important. And finally, yes, it is possible for people who are doing job. It is not like that you cannot do it. Yes, it is possible. Just you have to make a proper plan and stick to that plan, and continuously work on that plan. And you should not get demotivated if you didn't get any result like that, because it works slowly, gradually. Because there is no magic that it will work in 1 month, 2 month. So you have to consistently work on whatever you are doing, whatever workout you can, gym maybe, or whatever. So you have to keep continuously working on your workout and activity. So finally, thank you for watching the video. And I know yes, I know I'm making lots of mistakes while making this video, so I will definitely improve my content and video. So keep watching my video. I will definitely bring good contents, and whatever information I will, and whatever information help you, I will bring that content also. So keep watching the video. Thank